Hello guys, welcome to our tutorial. Welcome to this video. I have a good news for you. I have these tricks for you. I want to reveal this to you that you can browse with your Android phone without mobile data connection. How can this be possible? It is possible already. I have done it. I have tried and it worked for me. So that's why I say I should bring it to my people like you. So in this video, without wasting of any time, I want to show you how you can browse with your Android device. This tutorial is for Android device for now. If I have it for the iOS, the same method, I will also let you know in the comment section or the Telegram channel or anywhere else I would like to bring it to, maybe in another tutorial video. So but for now it's for Android device. So if you are having Android device and you have iOS device also, so you can make use of your Android for now in this tutorial, and when we finish it, if I have it for the iOS, I will still let you know you make use of your iOS. And also, but for now I want to show you how you can browse without data subscription, without data connection, and when even if your phone is in airplane mode and you not connect to any hotspot or wi-fi to browse your internet. It's free data, so free forever. Now let's start. For before I will continue with this tutorial, I want to say let me go to my Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. I want to try a browsing for now. As you can see, my phone is not in flight mode, and even if I want to say let me put my phone in plane mode so that you not rush to put your phone in plane mode and try it to see if it will browse. I refresh the page. It's not still browsing. It's showing me that no internet connection. So but our phone will be in airplane mode like this, then we will browse this page that does not work for now. So let me just remove my phone from the airplane mode because I want to make use of my data for now, or data connection for now. So now I move to my home screen again. This is my home screen. So what I need to do is for you to do also. I click on this area known as Google Play Store. This is Google Play Store. It's good for you to use Google Play Store to download your app and install in your Android device. It is well protected, protective than any other places, because if you are using APK, it's at your own risk. It might harm your device or whatever. But if you cannot install this application through Google Play Store, you can search for the APK file in online elsewhere there on the internet, and you will have it there. So I click on my Google Play Store to open it. When I open it, you have this particular app here known as First Light Only 4G/5G. So this app is what we want to use to run the logic and get the tricks. But how can we make use of it? Before I continue, I want to put this into your own understanding. You see this particular app here, this is the one that you will use. If you cannot find this app like this, or sometimes you see this app repeated or maybe repeating with different names, but always observe that this Xquest Studio is the publisher of this application. So before you download the app, check the publisher name. This is the publisher username here, Xquest Studio. So once you have this Xquest Studio, known that this is the same app I'm using in this tutorial, so you can get what I want to have in this video. So click on the install button to install the application. I click on the install button to install the application. Before we install this application, let me turn on my internet connection for now. But after everything, I will browse the internet without this mobile data connection. So I turn on my mobile data connection so that I can browse and download this app first. So after that, we will close everywhere and we make use of our browsing without data connection. So we wait for the app to start downloading. It was pending before because the data connection was off, so that is why it was pending. So we have to wait for the app to finish downloading. Running, the app is counting to download. Is downloading, so you wait for the app to finish downloading. Clicks finish downloading. Finish downloading. It's running. Have a little patience for the app to finish. We are getting to the final step. The app is installing as well. Very soon we will have this app ready for using for use. Okay, is running. Is running. Okay, the app is ready for use. So you can see we have the open button here. So this is our open button. But what I will advise to you, you don't need to click on the open button yet. What do we have to do? Drag down from this, turn off our mobile data connection and put our phone in flight mode. You see these two things that I'm doing now. I turn off my mobile data connection, I put my phone in airplane mode, either flight mode or airplane mode. It depends the English that is used in your device. So now that you are using that one, so what you have to do here is to click on the open button now, that you make sure that your phone is in airplane mode or flight mode. So you open the app now. So once you open the app, you wait for the app to open. We have few things to work on this app. First of all, we click on the next button below here, the corner below, the bottom corner here. Click on it. So you click on the allowed button here. Look at the allow button to allow the app permission. So the app allowed, click on the allowed here. You allowed it, so it will pop up location permission here. You click on the first one while using the app, that's the first one. Then click on the allowed, then you allowed. So once you allowed it, the permission is granted. So you click on the next button here. So once you click on the next button, we have this important information to read. So you can read of the terms and conditions, the terms of use of this app, the policy, privacy policy, and all those things. But after you have finished it, you have to click on this area, this small checkbox known as accept usage policy. So you check on it, so that we have the get started button below. You can see the get started button below here. So you click on it. Once you click on it, our app is full ready to use, but I want to introduce these three things for you before we continue. As you can see that we have about 1 2 3 4 buttons in this app to interact with, and we still have other navigation button below here that we can go into the application deeply. But that is not what we want to do in this application. We want to do other things. So before we move up, I want to tell you about these two buttons before we click on each of it. So now this first one is for any Android app that is below Android 11 version. So if you have is version 5 or Android 2 or Android 3, Android 4, Android 5, Android 6, Android from Android 5 to Android 11, you can click this one. But if your device is from Android 11 and above, that is Android 11 plus, so you can click the second one. So because of the version of my application, I click on the method 2, that's method 2. So I click on the method 2. Once you click on the method 2, it will take you to this place. If you want to notice something, that radio our mobile radio power is not enabled, is disabled. So enable it. Once you enable it, you can see the configuration is detected. So what next here, what you have to do is to click on this area known as three dot button. Once you click on the three dot button, the last option that is here, this option that is here, enable data connection. So you click on it, it will enable the data connection of that application. That means you are able to browse freely. So what next here, you can see the flight mode is still active in my device. Look, observe it, you still see that it is still active. So my flight mode and is still on airplane mode. Let me just drag down so that you observe. See on airplane mode, you can see there my airplane mode is active. So you can say I'm using Wi-Fi. Observe that the Wi-Fi is off, everything here is off, it's not active. Even my hotspot is off, my Wi-Fi is off. So airplane mode is active now, it's enabled. So I minimize the phone to my home screen again. I open up my Chrome browser. I want to browse that same thing that did not browse in the first place. You see it's already browsing. So I want to say, let me just click and open, so that you will not say I refresh. It's still same thing. I want to still drag down so that you observe that my Wi-Fi is off, my airplane mode is off. So I close it back. So I want to browse again. Each time I browse, I will still open down to show you, so that you not say maybe I'm connecting Wi-Fi elsewhere. You see it's browsing. What do I mean? Let me just still drag down to show you my Wi-Fi. When my Wi-Fi is off, my airplane mode is active, my mobile data is not even allowed to be active because the airplane mode is enabled. So you can see the website is browse YouTube. You can play video with the same thing. What do I mean? Let me just pause the video. I want to pause the video now. So let me just say, scroll down, I bring it down for you to see that my airplane mode is still active. So but look at the video is playing. I can click on the like button. I like it. I do it whatever thing I want to do. So thank you for watching the video. I believe the video has been of help to you. Don't do the video for yourself. It is a little something that will help even your neighbor, your friends, your brother. And also click your like button to like the video, because the video is such an helpful video. Subscribe to our channel. If you are new to our channel, we have a lot of tricks and more videos to come, so that you can be part of our video beneficiary. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in my next tutorial.